Guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning in to the video. I appreciate you watching.
This video is going to be a little different. No portfolio updates, no deep dives, just me reflecting. Almost a year ago, I started this channel with no real plan. I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to share my journey with investing. Fast forward to today, and we've hit 100 subscribers. I know in the world of YouTube, 100 subscribers might not sound like much, but for me, it's everything. This channel just started as an idea and a way to document my experiences with investing, and now it's become something more. A place to connect, to learn, and to grow alongside all of you. And I want to share how this channel started, how it's changed, and where it's headed next. So, where did it all start? Well, I uploaded my first video, and I kind of had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know how to edit, and I definitely didn't know how to make thumbnails. In fact, I didn't even bother making one for my first YouTube video. I kind of just grabbed a random frame from the video, and I just rolled with it. The pacing was all over the place, the audio wasn't great, I wasn't even sure if what I was saying made sense. But the fact is I hit upload anyway because I figured if I wait until it's perfect, I'll never start. At this point, I wasn't thinking about growth or views, I just wanted to put something out there. I thought maybe this could help someone who's just starting their investment journey just like I was. And if no one watched, at least I know I tried. For the first few months, there wasn't much happening, and I checked my analytics constantly hoping for something like a view, a like, maybe even a comment. But most of the time, there was nothing. It reminded me a lot of investing, and you don't see these results overnight. It's slow, and sometimes it feels like nothing's happening, but you have to trust the process. So what did I do? Well, I kept uploading, even when I felt like no one was watching. Every video I made felt like a small step forward, and the editing got a lot cleaner, the pacing a lot better, and then after a few uploads, I got my first real comment. The comment was simple, but it hit me hard. Someone said they liked the video and found my content refreshing compared to other financial channels. That stuck with me. It wasn't just validation, it was proof that what I was doing mattered. It reminded me that there's always room for authenticity in a world where everything can feel overly polished and scripted. That comment kept me going for weeks. Not long after that, one of my videos hit 100 views. Watching the number climb felt surreal. It wasn't about the views themselves, it was about what they represented. They showed that the time and effort I was putting in were starting to pay off. For the first time, it felt like the channel wasn't just me talking into the void. It was becoming a real conversation with a real audience. This channel has always been about more than just numbers or analytics. For me, investing isn't just about building wealth, it's about the lessons you learn along the way. It's about patience, discipline, and staying consistent even when it feels like nothing's happening. That mindset carried over into creating content. Just like investing, building this channel has been about showing up consistently even when the results weren't immediate. It's about making small improvements over time and trusting that those efforts will compound into something bigger. Whether it's uploading a new video or reinvesting dividends, the principle is the same. Small consistent steps lead to big results. That said, it hasn't always been easy. There were plenty of moments when I felt like giving up, spending hours editing a video, trying to make something I was proud of, only to see it get a handful of views. It's discouraging. It makes you wonder, why am I doing this? Does it even matter? But every time I hit that wall, I remember why I started. It wasn't about going viral or becoming a big creator. It was about sharing my journey honestly and openly and connecting with people who might be in the same place I was when I started investing. Every video I made taught me something. How to edit more efficiently, how to explain concepts more clearly, and eventually how to make thumbnails that didn't look like complete accidents. It was messy and it wasn't always fun, but it was progress. And just like investing, progress is what keeps you going. Now I know in the grand scheme of YouTube, 100 subscribers isn't a huge milestone. But for me, it's not just about the number, it's about what that number represents. It's 100 people who found value in what I'm sharing, and it's 100 people who decided to stick around because they saw something in this channel. That's not something I take lightly, and something I'm grateful for. And when I think about it, this milestone feels a lot like investing. It's not about chasing big, flashy wins, it's about the small, consistent steps that lead to something meaningful over time. That's what this channel represents to me. Growth not just in numbers, but in the connection we've built here. So what's next? Honestly, I don't have all the answers yet, but I do know this. I want to keep improving. I want to make videos that are not just informative, but also fun to watch. I want to dive deeper into topics that matter to you, whether that's ETFs, dividend strategies, or navigating the challenges of long-term investing. But more than anything, I want this channel to stay authentic. I don't want it to feel forced or overly polished. I want it to stay true to what it's been from the start. A space where I share my journey, honestly and openly, and connect with people who care about the same things I do. Lastly, to everyone who's been a part of this journey, whether you've watched, commented, subscribed, or even just stumbled across one of my videos, thank you. This channel wouldn't exist without you, and I'm incredibly grateful for every single person who's taken the time to support what I'm doing. Just like investing, this is a long game, and I'm excited to keep building it with you. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.